สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to my kitchen. I'm O and today I'm prepare Tom Yum Nam Khon or spicy soup in creamy version. If you want to know, you should watch this video.
In the kitchen where flavors collide, O's got the heat and taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go!
The ingredients are chicken stock, chicken, oyster mushroom, tomatoes, kaffir leaf, coriander, galangal, lemongrass, chilies, limes and then lime juice, fish sauce, non-sweet condensed milk, and chili paste. Let's start to make Tom Yum Nam Khon. Okay, I start with chicken stock. I put in the pot and wait for a while is for the stock boiling. And now the stock boiling, then I put galangal and lemongrass. Yeah, waiting for a while. The stock is become smell nice from galangal and lemongrass. Then I put chicken. Wait for a while and after that I add oysters, mushroom, you can use mushroom whatever you want like oyster or store mushroom or champignon, and of course for the meat you can use like pork or beef or seafood whatever you want, and also for tofu. Okay, and after that I put oyster mushroom. When we put chicken and mushroom, we just take for maybe 5 or 6 or 7 minutes. It depends on the size that you that you cut. And after that, when the chicken and mushroom is cooked, we are going to add some of seasoning. Okay, so I add season with curry paste, fish sauce, and non-sweet condensed milk. And smell nice, and you can see like the color is become like creamy and rich. Yeah, whatever. I add some tomatoes, chilies, and smell nice from kaffir leaf. Don't forget to tears, make it more smell nice. Okay. 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 Finally, for makes more flavorful, I add lime juice. Okay. Okay. It's very nice smell, and believe me, it's very more flavorful. You see, this soup is very easy to make it. And now, time to serve. It's very nice smell and very nice color. I add. Okay. And for the soup, and decorate with coriander leaf. Okay. This is my Tom Yum Nam Khon. Hope you like it. And if you want to know more Thai food, please give me in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.
Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go!